out and do a flight with my wonderful little Hubsan X4, as I've been doing a lot of FPV lately. So I'll have some of that in here, but I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone, but it's a bit of a breezy day. It's not windy all the time, it's just a bit gusty. So I just wanted to try a little bit, see how this guy fights the wind. Okay, gonna go ahead and get it pounded and take off. Okay, so right away here I went to the expert mode. I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Whoa! Windy. You definitely feel the wind there. When he's flying, he can, he's gotta work to fight that. But, ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, that was amazing. These clouds. Sorry, I'm just really fascinated by weather. The clouds are moving so fast. It was like somebody just threw a blanket over the sun and it just suddenly got dark for a second there. That was crazy. I just saw it move over the ground. That was really cool, but it doesn't move quite as fast as those clouds. But if I went pretty high, he'd start to get close to that speed. He'd be going pretty fast. So I really got to be careful because you can see, you can feel it. For a second, it's pretty windy, but as you can see, he fights it quite well on expert mode. Just for fun. His normal mode here, I've been doing a lot of expert mode flying because he's just more agile that way, but he's not quite as easy because he doesn't have that maximum tilt angle like it does on expert mode. But he does okay. But as you can see, he fights it really, really well. Oh, by the way, up here where he is right about now, through those trees, there's some nettles. Sometimes when you're flying, you kind of zone out, and you might land somewhere in some plants, and you just kind of, you know, walk after him, and you go after him. I went right through those nettles. I've never touched nettles before. I didn't even know what they looked like. It didn't feel very good, so make sure you're watching where you're going when you're flying. Just a word of advice. Man, look at that. He is just wobbling crazy. This is some pretty serious drift. I gotta land because I'm going full left and I'm not getting anywhere. So, but as you can see, this guy's doing some pretty significant wind fighting, and I'm actually quite surprised for such a small guy. There's also a link in the description. I started an Indiegogo life campaign. That's Indiegogo's sort of, look at this. This is full left. That's their way for people who aren't raising money for a product, who are raising it for, say, a friend who's in need of medical expenses or whatever. I'm doing it because I really want the Parrot Bebop drone, and I have a $500 campaign, 30-day campaign, going on right now. Any donation of any amount would be really appreciated, and also, if you can't donate, if you could at least please share it on any of your social networks, because then more people see it who might also like the same things that I do and that you do as viewers, and that might actually donate. So I would really appreciate that. And thanks for watching. One last thing. I was just getting on my bike to leave after I just made that video, and I saw this in the sky. Let's put it through my sunglasses, it's even brighter. We just had some storms, and there's these iridescent clouds, absolutely beautiful clouds. Again, through my sunglasses you can see how much brighter it is. This is beautiful. I just thought I'd add that into the video.